Previous tutorial, we learned how to install AutoDock Vina in a Ubuntu terminal inside a conda environment. Now, this AutoDock Vina can be used for docking of protein molecules with a desirable drug candidate molecules. But before we begin the docking process, a protein needs to be prepared by removing various crystallized water molecules, salt molecules, or any other undesirable bound ligand forms. So in today's video, we are going to learn about how to basically prepare a protein in PyMOL and Meeko so that it can be used for subsequent docking process. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First of all, we are first going to download representative protein or a candidate protein from the PDB website. So for this, type rcsv.org in your browser page and hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you will move to the home page of your protein data bank. Now here inside the search box provided at the top of your website, you can type the name of your desired protein. Since I know my desired protein, that is dihydrofolate reductase, I will type the code for this protein, and this code is 1U72. Once I type 1U72, hit the enter button and it will show us various molecules having this dihydrofolate reductase. So we'll select the very first option, or the very first option provided here, and it will open another window, and where you'll see that this dihydrofolate reductase is bound to its various ligands, that is NADPH and the methotrexate molecule. In this window, you will see the options for downloading this protein in various file formats. So click on this download option button and select the legacy PDB format. Click on this link, that is legacy PDB format, and your protein molecule will be downloaded in the download folder in a PDB format. Now move this PDB file to your desired folder. Herein, I have created a subfolder inside my AutoDock_learning folder, and I've named this folder as 01_original_protein. Now as you can see, I have moved this PDB file to my desired folder. Now open your terminal and move to this folder by using a sequence of commands as you can see on your screen. In the next step, activate your conda environment, which I have selected as docking. Once you activate the environment, move to your desired folder where you have downloaded the protein. Type the term PyMOL, that is PyMOL, and hit the enter button. It will open a new window. Inside this PyMOL window, click on the file option. You will see a drop down menu, and from this drop down menu, select the open option. Now from this open option, go to your folder where you have already saved your PDB file and select your file. Once you select your file, your protein molecule is now visible in the PyMOL software as you can see on your screen here. By using the cursor, you can rotate your protein in a desirable manner. In addition to your protein structure, you can also see two ligands which are bound to this protein. One ligand is NADPH and the other ligand is methotrexate. These ligand molecules are shown in a stick format. Beside this protein and the ligand molecule, you can also see some red dots as well on your screen. Now these red dots are nothing else but the crystallized water molecules. For preparing this protein, you need to remove this crystallized water molecule. So for this, in your PyMOL window terminal, type the command remove REMOVE space RESN space HOH. HOH stands for water molecule. In addition to this command, you can also use the command remove solvent. So by using either of these commands, this crystallographic water molecules are removed. The next step, type the command select ligand, select space ligand, space organic. So once you type this command and hit the enter button, it will highlight your ligand molecules. And in the next step, type the command show SHOW space sticks STICKS space ligand. Once you type this command and hit the enter button, your ligand molecules will now be shown in a stick format in case they are not being shown in a stick format. In the next step, for preparing this protein, you need to type the command remove space RESN space ligand. So this command will remove these two ligands and your protein will be now moved to a more pristine form. In addition to removing the ligand molecules and the crystallographic molecules, you can also remove the residual salt molecules which may be otherwise attached with this protein molecule. For this, type the command remove space RESN space Na stands for sodium, and hit the enter button. In the next line, type remove space RESN space Cl stands for chloride. Likewise, you can also remove the attached phosphate as well as sulfate groups or any other salts which are otherwise undesirable when using your protein for docking process. In the next line, you need to type H_add and hit the enter button. And this will result in addition of any hydrogen atoms to your protein molecules. Moving forward, you need to basically save this modified protein or the receptor molecule. So for this, select the file option, a drop down menu will open, select the export molecule button. Once you click on this select export molecule, another window will open up, and from this, select your protein in a PDB format and rename your file as 1U72 underscore cleaned underscore receptor. And do not forget to save your protein in a .pdb format. Once you do this, just close all this window, and then in the next step, move again to your Ubuntu terminal. Herein, first close your PyMOL, move to the folder where you have saved this cleaned receptor into your computer or your system. So in my case, I have saved my protein, my modified protein or cleaned protein in a subfolder called 02 underscore clean underscore protein. So as you can see on your screen, I'm showing my saved or clean protein by highlighting this text. Now you need to use the Meeko software for cleaning your protein. So for this, you need to type the following sequence of commands. In the first line, type mk. Mk stands for Meeko, mk underscore prepare underscore receptor dot py, followed by space, and that is followed by backward slash. Hit the enter button. In the next line, you need to input your clean protein. For that, you need to type -i space and just input your file name. In my case, that was 1U72 underscore clean underscore receptor dot pdb, and that is followed by space followed by backward slash. Hit the enter button. In the next line, type -o, o means output, and again type the name of your clean receptor. I have kept the name of my clean receptor as such, and that is followed by space and backward slash. Hit the enter button. In next line, type -p space backward slash, and in the final line type -j and hit the enter button. So this will result in downloading of your protein, clean receptor protein, in PDBQT format as well as JSON format. In the last two lines, in the command, I use -p and -j. P stand for saving your output protein in a PDBQT format and JSON format. So this is how you can prepare your protein very easily by using PyMOL and Meeko in the docking environment which I prepared earlier in the Anaconda. So I hope you like this video. If you learned something new from this video or from this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.